Lesson 16. Past tenses overview. Past tenses. The past simple refers to a single completed action in the past. For example, Phil washed his car on Tuesday. This is a completed action in the past that is now over. The present perfect simple refers to an unfinished action or series of actions that started in the past or past actions that still have a consequence in the present moment. Eve has arrived in London. Eve is still in London, so it is still relevant to the present moment. The past continuous refers to a continuing action in the past. The last time I saw Phil, he was washing his car. At that moment, he was in the process of washing his car. The present perfect continuous refers to a continuing activity in the past that still has a consequence in the present moment. I have been painting the house all day. I'm exhausted. This is a consequence in the present moment. We can also call it a side effect. Side effect. Past simple and present perfect simple. The past simple is used to refer to single completed actions or events in the past. These no longer have a consequence in the present moment. I wrote my essay about ancient Greece. The essay is finished, so the past simple is used. I lost my keys, but I found them on my desk. This is no longer relevant to the present moment because the keys were found. But the present perfect simple is used to refer to actions or events in the past that are unfinished or still have consequences in the present moment. I have written half of my essay, but I need to finish it. The essay is unfinished, so the present perfect simple is used. I have lost my keys. I can't find them anywhere. The keys are still lost in the present moment, so the present perfect simple is used. There are 8 different ways to talk about the past in English. The differences between the past simple and the present perfect simple are particularly important. So, the past perfect simple refers to an action or event that took place before another action or event in the past. The game had started when I arrived at the stadium. Used to and would are used to talk about repeated actions in the past that no longer happen. We are talking about our habits in the past, which we do not have in the present moment. I would go to Spain every year. The past perfect continuous refers to a continuing action or event that was taking place before another action or event that happened in the past. I had been feeling unwell for days, so I went to the doctor. Used to can also be used to refer to a fixed state at some indefinite time in the past that is no longer true. I used to live in London. Live is a state, so would cannot be used. Also, let's talk about narrative tenses. Narrative tenses are types of past tense that are used when telling a story. The past continuous is used to set the scene, to set the background of the story. The past simple describes actions in the past. The past perfect is used to talk about things that happened before the beginning of the story. For example, a crowd of people were celebrating the new year when one of the young men kneeled down in front of his girlfriend and asked her to marry him. He had planned everything beforehand. So, past perfect. We have for our action, he had planned. So, before this scene, before everything, what has happened here, firstly, he had planned everything. Then we have our past continuous. We're celebrating. We are just describing the background. And also we use past simple for some actions to describe the story, to set some actions which happened one after another. Let's have our practice. Past tenses review. There are 8 different ways to talk about the past in English. The differences between the past simple and the present perfect simple are particularly important. Let's look at the sentences. So, what do we need to do? Cross out the incorrect words in each sentence. Number 1. When I saw Sam earlier this morning, he was mopping. He mopped the floor. He was in the process. He was mopping. Number 2. Ron and Tim have worked at the same salon for more than 10 years. Present perfect. Have worked. Number 3. Danny didn't understand what the man was saying. Didn't understand. Number 4. When I was a kid, I would be scared of spiders. I used to be scared of spiders. Number 5. I love travel, but I didn't go to New York before. But I haven't been to New York before because I'm describing my experience in life. Number 6. I discovered the loggers had cut down almost all their trees. Had cut down. This action happened earlier, and after this action, I discovered. Number 7. Pavel went outside and had built a snowman in the park. And built. So one action happened just after another action. He went outside and after that he built a snowman. Number 8. We were delayed and the concert had started by the time we arrived. We were delayed and the concert had started by the time we arrived. Number 9. Ash was studying Spanish for years before he moved to Madrid. Had been studying. First, he studied, then he moved. And I show by using the past perfect continuous the chronological order. And also, I use past perfect continuous to show the process. Number 10. We have been hiked all morning. Let's have a break, shall we? We have been hiking. 11. It was a beautiful day and the sun was shining through the window. Was shining. Because I said at the background of my story. Match the beginnings of the sentences to the correct endings. Number 1. I couldn't get into my house because I had lost my keys. Number 1. How long have you been studying English? Number 2. Pedro has been living in his apartment for more than 6 months. Number 3. It had been raining all night and the garden was flooded. Number 4. Chrissy loves trying new dishes, but she's never tried Vietnamese food. Number 5. Peter was walking home when he bumped into an old school friend. Number 6. Did you go to the new exhibition at the museum last weekend? Rewrite the sentences, putting the words in the correct order. So, my family used to go camping together every year. Number 1. Aditya. So, well, wasn't he feeling so went? Aditya takes the first place. Wasn't feeling well, wasn't feeling well, so he went home. Number 2. To used my didn't go school, you to you. You used to go to my school. Didn't you? You used to go to my school, didn't you? Number 3. Long office, how working these have been in you. How long have you been working in this office? Number 4. Been when for working ages had Ed here, I met him. Ed had been working here for ages when I met him. 16.4. Fill in the gaps by putting the verbs in the correct tenses. Number 1. When I arrived at the venue, I realized I hadn't brought the tickets. Number 2. By the time we arrived at the theater, the play had begun. Number 3. I not see that movie yet. John told me it's great. I haven't seen this movie yet. Number 4. Sophie cook all morning. She's exhausted. So Sophie has been cooking all morning. So she's exhausted. Right now, that's why we use the present perfect continuous. Number 5. Harry looked great. He was wearing his new suit. Number 6. Natalia sunbathed when she noticed a monkey in a tree. Natalia was sunbathing when she noticed a monkey in a tree. Number 7. I not go to the party on Friday. I was at a concert. I didn't go to the party. Number 8. Len decorate. He has paint on his clothes. Len has been decorating. He has paint on his clothes. Number 9. Jamie practiced for months before yesterday's show. Jamie had been practicing for months before yesterday's show. 10. I called my dad this morning to wish him a happy birthday. I called my dad this morning to wish him a happy birthday. 11. Bill took a bath when he heard a knock at the door. Bill was in the middle of this process when he heard a knock at the door. So, 16.5 match the pictures to the correct sentences. So we were hiking in the countryside when it started to rain. Number 1. I was sleeping soundly when my alarm clock rang. That is number 1. I've been dreaming of going abroad all year. Number 3. And number 2. After we'd eaten, Marco helped me clear the table. Number 2. 16.6. Rewrite the sentences, correcting the errors. It has been my grand's birthday yesterday. We have yesterday, that's why it was. Number 2. I used to like mathematics, but now I prefer chemistry. I used to like mathematics, but now I prefer chemistry. Number 3. When I walked into the room, Juan was talking on the phone. So he was in the middle of this process. Number 4. We were sailing to Crete when I was seeing a dolphin. When I saw a dolphin. Just so. Number 5. You look hot, Karen. Have you been running? That's correct. Number 6. When Dan has finished the cleaning, he went to the park. When Dan had finished the cleaning, he went to the park. Number 7. We have been lost for 3 weeks before the helicopter spotted us. We were lost. We were lost for 3 weeks before the helicopter spotted us. Number 8. You lived in this house for a long time? Have you lived in this house for a long time? Number 9. I have cycled all the way to London yesterday. I just cycled. We don't need present perfect. Number 10. We walked through the woods when we saw a bear. We were walking through the woods when we saw a bear. 11. When Ben was a child, he was wanting to be an astronaut. He just wanted to be an astronaut. 12. Were you enjoying your vacation last week? Were you enjoying your vacation last week? Did you enjoy? Did you enjoy your vacation last week? This is it for today. Thank you guys for being with me, and I will see you next time. Bye!